Welcome to Devices Help and Support, your ultimate destination for all things related to the device's setup, troubleshooting and optimizing your tech experiences. In this video, we show you how to easily set up the D-Link AX1800 Mesh WiFi 6 extender step by step. Whether you're using the D-Link Wi-Fi app or the web interface, we'll guide you through the process of extending your home Wi-Fi for better coverage and faster speeds. Follow along as we help you connect the extender to your existing network, position it for the best signal, and get your devices running smoothly on the extended Wi-Fi. Stay tuned for helpful tips to boost your home internet. Firstly, we start with the unboxing, giving you the cleanest review of the product that what comes in packet. Inside the D-Link AX1800 Mesh WiFi 6 extender box, you'll find the extender unit itself, which is compact and ready to plug into a power outlet. Along with the device, there's a quick installation guide to help you set it up easily, and a warranty card for product support. Some models may also include an Ethernet cable for wired connections during setup. So let's start the setup process. First of all, take the D-Link AX1800 out of the box, and plug it into a power outlet near your router. Wait for the power LED to turn on and become stable, indicating that the extender is ready for setup. On your smartphone, tablet, or laptop, go to your Wi-Fi settings. Look for the default SSID of the extender. It should be labeled on the device or in the manual. Connect to this network. It may be unsecured at this point. Open a web browser, such as Chrome or Safari, on the connected device. Type http://dlinkap.local or http://192.168.0.50 into the browser's address bar and press enter. You will be directed to the D-Link extender login page. On the login page, use the default admin credentials provided in the manual or on the device, usually admin, as the username and no password or a default password like admin. If it prompts you to create a new password, do so. After logging in, you will be taken through a setup wizard. The wizard will scan for available Wi-Fi networks. Choose your home Wi-Fi network, the one you want to extend. Enter your Wi-Fi password when prompted. You can either choose to extend the Wi-Fi network using the same SSID, for seamless roaming, or set up a new SSID for the extended network. Save the settings after completing the configuration. After the setup is complete, unplug the extender and move it to a location halfway between your router and the area where you want to improve Wi-Fi coverage. Plug it back in and wait for it to reconnect. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. In case you face any type of difficulty, you are free to contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. Our experts team will always guide you. Thank you so much to watching our video. And lastly, don't forget to like, share and subscribe our your YouTube channel Devices Help and Support. Stay tuned for more updates.